Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last dividend investing video, you know that I have built up a portfolio of dividend stocks over the past few years that pays me about $3,100 per month in passive dividend income. In this video, I want to dive deeper into the 9 specific dividend stocks in my portfolio that make up the bulk of this passive income stream. These stocks were selected carefully based on factors like dividend safety, dividend growth potential, and current dividend yield. If you're interested in building your own dividend portfolio, you'll definitely want to take notes on these 9 dividend income powerhouses. Stock number 1: Johnson & Johnson. My number 1 dividend stock pick is Johnson & Johnson, the consumer healthcare and pharmaceutical giant. J&J is about as reliable as they come when it comes to dividend stocks. They have paid uninterrupted dividends for over 50 years and have raised the dividend for over 25 consecutive years. At the current share price, J&J yields 2.5% and pays me about $460 per month in dividends from my position. I expect dividend growth to continue steadily in the 6–8% range going forward as well. Stock number 2: Procter & Gamble. Another excellent dividend growth stalwart in my portfolio is consumer products leader Procter & Gamble. Like J&J, P&G has a tremendous track record when it comes to dividends: 65 straight years of dividend increases. The current yield is 2.3%, translating to about $210 per month in dividends. And strong cash flows support 8–10% annual dividend growth going forward. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to P&G. Stock number 3: PepsiCo. What list of dividend stocks would be complete without the beverage and snack giant PepsiCo? PepsiCo pays me around $190 per month in dividends today from a current yield of 2.7%. The company has raised its dividend for 49 consecutive years. And with a reasonable payout ratio and strong positioning in the snacks market, I expect dividend growth of 5–7% annually for the foreseeable future. Stock number 4: Texas Instruments. Transitioning to the technology sector, one of my favorite dividend payers is semiconductor leader Texas Instruments. Many avoid tech stocks when it comes to dividend investing, but TXN has raised its dividend for 18 straight years now. The yield is a bit lower at 2.1%, but I love the dividend growth potential here. I'm earning around $125 per month in dividends today, which should continue growing at 10% plus annually. Stock number 5: Broadcom. Sticking with semiconductors, Broadcom is another rapidly growing dividend payer in my portfolio. The current yield sits at 2.4%, contributing about $150 per month in income. But Broadcom has exploded its dividend by over 50% in just the past 5 years since initiating their payout. With strong free cash flows in excess of $15 billion expected annually going forward, Broadcom should maintain 20% plus annual dividend growth for the next few years at least. Stock number 6: Home Depot. Let's shift to more defensive sectors now, starting with home improvement retailer Home Depot. With a payout ratio still around 50% and industry-leading position, Home Depot offers a very safe 2.5% dividend yield. This contributes nearly $200 per month in passive income today, with high single-digit annual growth expected. Consumers will keep spending money to maintain and improve their homes regardless of broader economic trends. Stock number 7: McDonald's. Another great defensive dividend payer is fast food leader McDonald's, number 7 on my list. McDonald's has raised its dividend for over 40 consecutive years now and counting. The yield is 2.1% today, adding about $150 per month in income. But 5–7% annual dividend growth should continue as McDonald's continues taking market share with strategic promotions and menu innovations aligned with broader consumer preferences for convenience. Stock number 8: Amgen. Transitioning to the healthcare sector again, I love biotechnology giant Amgen for reliable dividend income. With drugs facing less reimbursement pressure than devices or healthcare services, Amgen can comfortably pay and consistently raise its 3% plus dividend yield over time. I earn around $165 per month in income today, with high single to low double-digit dividend growth expected annually for the years ahead. Stock number 9, IBM. Last but not least on my list of dividend payers is tech giant IBM. Some may have written off IBM as past its prime, but the company still generates ample free cash and returns plenty of capital to shareholders through dividends. IBM's nearly 5% dividend yield contributes about $180 per month in income for me currently. And a reasonable payout ratio around 60% of earnings supports mid-single-digit dividend growth annually going forward. Conclusion. There you have it, the 9 dividend stocks that pay me over $3,100 per month in passive dividend income, led by Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, PepsiCo, Texas Instruments, and more. With an average dividend yield around 2.5% and expected dividend growth of 7–10% annually on average, this stream of dividends will continue growing rapidly. Let me know if you have any other stocks paying you significant monthly dividend income. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.